What's up, guys? I'm Mike from StockedUp. In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. Today is April 3rd of 2021. The markets broke all-time highs this week, or at least the S&P 500 did. The Dow got pretty close to all-time highs, and then the NASDAQ actually had a pretty great week. For the plays for this week, we didn't have too many swings, only 3 swings. We had a nice win on Apple, which was great. Walmart, which was a small loss, and then ExxonMobil, which was a loss. If we go to the total log of all of the plays, if we scroll down, we could see that we ended March in the green, which was good to see. The past couple weeks have been a little choppy, definitely pretty choppy overall. Most of the growth was in the beginning of the month, but it is good to see that we ended in the green. Like I said, the past couple weeks have been back and forth, back and forth. In terms of the moves that we saw this week in the market, especially from tech stocks, one thing I really want to point out is the premium selling channel. So the premium selling channel is basically for credit spreads and cash secured puts. Lately, we've been doing a lot of cash secured puts, but we could see over the past year, you can say, the cash secured puts have been doing pretty well. And we had, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different cash secured puts for March. So that was a good amount of them, definitely. But I just wanted to bring everyone's attention to the cash secured puts so we could see if you put around $10,000 worth of collateral into each play. That would have been a total profit of around $2,300, which is great to see. And even with our one loss with DraftKings, really all you have to do is buy shares of DraftKings and hold them for the long term. So with cash secured puts, especially when we see stocks kind of drop below support like we saw with like NEO and a lot of other tech stocks over the past month, you could say, like when NEO falls right at that 35 support, or even if we go to like CCIV or Palantir, or even some bigger stocks like Apple, that presents some great opportunities for cash secured puts, and we really took advantage of that over the past month. And they're really a huge win-win as long as you set them up correctly. And if we see with DraftKings, with our one quote-unquote loss, really all you have to do is just hold the shares for the long term if you like that stock. I'm a huge fan of DraftKings, so this should end up being a winner throughout the rest of the year. But I just want to really just recap the cash secured put channel, you can say. It really is a solid strategy if you do it correctly. And if we do see more, I guess you could say consolidation in the market, or if we do see these tech stocks continue to drop, I'll definitely be sure to call out more of these plays because they have been working pretty well. If we scroll over to the right, we could see its chart right there, which is good to see. And if we go back to the log for March, overall we ended in the green, which is great to see. But definitely don't forget about the cash secured puts channel. If you guys have any questions or want to learn more about the program, you can click the first link in the description down below. And Tom and I will be streaming on this channel pretty soon. We have to get a couple things set up behind the scenes before we go live, but make sure you're subscribed to the new channel. We're gonna have a lot of information, a lot of just content on this channel pretty soon. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.